Create your own path, a journey to personal success. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a powerful and inspiring phrase, make your own path. This phrase is not just about walking on a road less traveled. It's about creating a journey that is uniquely yours. Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together and uncover the deeper meaning behind these words. Make your own path is an idiomatic expression that encourages individuality and self-reliance. At its core, this phrase is a call to action, urging you to forge your own way in life rather than following the well-trodden paths set by others. It speaks to the idea of innovation, creativity, and personal courage. In this section, we'll break down the phrase and discuss its implications in various aspects of life, including career, personal development, and education. In a world where conformity is often the norm, make your own path serves as a reminder of the importance of being true to oneself. This phrase champions the concept of individuality and the value of having your own vision and goals. Here, we'll explore stories of people who have embodied this phrase by breaking away from conventional expectations to achieve remarkable things. Their journeys illustrate how stepping out of your comfort zone and following your own passions can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Making your own path is easier said than done. It requires determination, resilience, and a willingness to take risks. In this section, we'll offer practical advice and strategies for carving out your own path. From setting clear goals and embracing failure as a learning opportunity to seeking inspiration and staying true to your values, we'll guide you through the steps to becoming an architect of your own destiny. Embarking on a journey to make your own path is fraught with challenges, including fear of the unknown, resistance from society, and self-doubt. However, the rewards of pursuing your own path can be immensely fulfilling. This section discusses the obstacles you might face and how to overcome them. We'll also highlight the rewards that come from following your own path, such as personal growth, satisfaction, and the joy of achieving your dreams on your own terms. Make your own path is more than just a phrase, it's a philosophy for life. It encourages us to live authentically, pursue our passions, and create a life that resonates with our deepest values. We hope this video has inspired you to think about your own path and how you can make it uniquely yours. Remember, the journey to making your own path is as important as the destination itself. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey to personal success. See you in the next video.